Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking my old suction cup and my new suction cup that I will use on my car. As you can see, the size difference is huge, and this one comes with a surprise. You can see that this small suction cup is actually big enough to pick up this 5 kg computers. And in the past I used this one. This is Manfrotto 241BF. It's a great tool. I used to have a couple of them. It doesn't have any magnets or anything. You have to place it on a straight line and then pump it. And you have to check that you have consistent grease on this part, otherwise it won't work. I haven't used it for a while, so it doesn't have anything on it, and it will not hold to this not fully straight surface. This thing, on the other hand, is crazy tough, and it's small. You can see direct size comparison is like, wow, it's like a quarter of the size. And why I changing it is because, for example, when you, I'll place it here on a box. It's a model, this one from China. So for example, when you use it with small action cameras like this, you'll use small holder like this, and you don't need anything else. So you could screw it down on top of your small mount and ready to go. When you go with a bigger stuff, you want to angle it, because not every car is the same. You want to use something like that. It's also Manfrotto. Model, I don't recall the model. It's a pretty nice piece of hardware, but yeah, when you start stacking it like that, you'll see the difference, right? It's like small, barely visible thing with magnets that you place on top of your hood versus this. But this will hold big cameras without any issues, big telephoto lens, everything else. I use a couple of those, 3, to hold my rig on the car when I was shooting with 20-feet boom, probably. But I no longer do car photography, so all I record is some videos of me driving somewhere. So this kind of setup would be perfect for this operation. It's like, that's everything we have. Or you could use this stuff that goes in a box for your phone holder. I don't know, I used to use something like that, but with this big mount, when we were recording some videos, I'll drop a link on the videos from the phone previously. But next video will be me driving to the work, and I'll try to record with this camera outside, and you'll see how it works. So the price difference between that and this is almost 10 times, because this one cost at least 200 Canadian, this one cost $23 something. So 9 to 10 times. That's made in Italy. Very heavy duty stuff. I like it. This made in China, but it has magnets, so both of them could work with flat surfaces because it's also a suction cup, so it will hold to the glass, but it will hold to the metal the best. And also it has parts that are rotating inside of this cone, but I don't think I'll use it much. We'll see. So here's the suction cups that you could use. Also, this will deform your car panels when you mount it in it, because it's very hard and suction power is very strong. So you could fix dents with it. Yeah. Okay. Have a nice day. One more thing that I like to use with my GoPro camera or DJI Action cameras, this small clamp. I used to have big Manfrotto clamp that is the size of this thing, but these also have this movable arm, basically magic arm from, it's like 4 inches, that's it, maybe less. And you could put it on anywhere in your car, inside the interior, and shoot yourself inside the car. And it will be easy, non-obstructive way to do this. Simple, and all of this stuff costs pennies. So I like this. Bye.